Hey everyone, in this video I will help you to activate your Tesco Bank Credit Card. So once you receive your card, the easiest way to activate it is through their mobile banking app. So you can download their app, which is the Tesco Bank, which you can see in the Google and Apple Store. To sign in with the details you registered with during your application or register if you haven't done already. On the app landing page, select Activate Card underneath your card on the landing page. So enter the CVV number from the back of your card to activate it. And you just follow the prompts and everything. So alternatively, you can also contact their page to activate your card. You'll need to enter your 16-digit credit card number, so please have it ready when you contact them. If you've registered for online banking, you will also need to provide your selected digits from your security number. This process will also activate any additional card holders on the account. So their contact numbers will be, you can find them on their page, which is technical supports and other inquiries for your